Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I've got a brand new brand for you today. This is by Belle Madame. This is Carlotta in the color Chocolate Mix, which is 810-2720. So excited. I was just recording a video. That's why I'm wearing, this is Skylar by John Renault in the color Toffee Truffle. And I was just recording this video and DHL arrived with my Belle Madame. I haven't tried this brand and I am so excited. So we're going to take a look at it together. This is a relatively short style. Cute curls. These are regular synthetic fibers. You know, I'm just trying to expand my horizons with different brands. You know how that goes. All right, let's take a look at the cap. We have a lace front that goes almost to the ear tab. We have a left monopart. There's a teeny beeny bit of permatease, almost non-existent there. Felt covered ear tabs. Have an extended nape and Velcro adjusters. And there seems to be a good amount of stretch to the cap. I'm going to leave the adjusters just as they are since this is a brand I've never tried before. I have no clue how it runs. Crazy hair today. I've been recording videos for like the last 3 hours or so. Well, it fits me just fine. Oh my gosh, that lace front is beautiful. I'm going to take some water, separate the fibers, kind of wake them up a little bit. Oh, I like this. What do you think? This is cutie as can be. It's not a face flopper. It's staying nicely off my face with just a little bit of hand movement here. Going to take the wide tooth comb, just comb it out a little bit. Very pretty. The color appears also similar to some of the colors, like the chocolate colors that we find on Ellen Villa. Let's see how that part looks. I don't know if I have it correctly. I think I do. Not very straight, but looks good. Let's take a look at the lace front. Beautiful lace front. You know, my hairline is going to show, but I think once I match it to the wig, it'll be fine. Oh, this is pretty. I like it. Okay, so the fit is good. I don't think it's going to fit above a 22 inches, but it will, you can certainly, there's plenty of room to cinch it in. Very soft waves here. Let me tell you what the measurements are. The front is 9 inches. The crown is 10 inches. The sides are 9 inches. And the nape is 4.5 inches. We can tuck it. Wear it with a headband. The fibers feel really nice. Very thin denier. They're not thick, dry fibers. They feel really nice, very realistic. The permatease is minimal, just a little bit of permatease, nothing really to speak of. And I think the density is perfect. I think the density is very realistic. This is, if you like styles like Dance by Ellen Villa, Stella by Ellen Villa, Trend Alert by Gabor, maybe Girl Mono, but Girl Mono has a Girl Mono by Ellen Villa that has a little bit more curl to it. I think that if you like those types of styles, I think you would like this one. Could add a little clip to it. Oh, I'm very, very happy with this one. This is what I like, the types of wigs I like to wear in the summer. All right, let's talk a little bit about this color. A102720. It is referred to as chocolate mix. And we have an 8, which is your medium brown, a 10, which is a light brown, a 27, which is a dark auburn, and we have a 20. And the 20 appears to be a little bit like a strawberry blonde, or a caramel blonde. And we do have some of those lighter fibers on the front, but it's not an abundance. It's distributed beautifully, kind of like we find on the Raquel Welch styles, on maybe on Shaded Hazelnut by Raquel Welch. You'll find this very similar highlight. It's a ginger highlight on Shaded Hazelnut, and that is exactly what that is reminding me of. Overall, I think it is really pretty. I love the fibers. I love the minimal permatease, but it does have a little bit. So we're going to get just enough, just what's needed for the style. The density is realistic. We don't have high density here. We have light density. And I think the style is really pretty, really seems to be a real throw and go type of style. I'm happy with it, but I want to know what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you like the color? Do you like this, these waves? Let me know. I love to hear what you think. All right, everyone. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.